Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable and use double back tap to take screenshot or turn on flashlight in Pixel smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just search for system, just tap on it. Now you can see your get search option, just tap on it. Now on the first list you will see here quick tap to start action, just tap on it. Now you can see a preview. You need to back tap 2 times behind it, and now just turn it on. Now you can see the first option is the text screenshot. You can select more options like Google Tours and some more options here like show notifications, see recent apps, play or post media, and you can even open apps using this feature. So let me select this text screenshot so you can see the preview what you need to do. So let me minimize it and let me double back tap 1 2. So you can see it's taking a screenshot. And now let me select the Google Tours in order to turn on the flashlight. So let me minimize it. So let me double tap 1 2. So you can see the flashlight is turned on. So if I double tap again 1 2, so you can see so it's working perfectly. So by using this feature you can easily enable and use double back tap to use screenshot or turn on flashlight in Pixel smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool hidden features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.